How to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. Now the process itself is quite simple, so let me guide you through. The first thing what you need to know is if you upload any picture that is already uploaded. Suppose you have a picture on Google Photos and you went ahead and you uploaded the same photo again in Google Photos, then the Google Photos won't upload it automatically. It won't be saved on your Google Photos account. So for that, the picture has to be same without any edits, without any effects. Basically, the metadata will have to be the same. Now if you go ahead and if you edit this picture, if you edit the same picture and you upload it again, now what this is it will upload your picture to Google Photos. So in that case, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go ahead and you'll have to open up the picture, and so you'll have to manually delete it in that case. So this way you can delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.